copy trade. Copy trade. Copy trade.
Good day everyone, no matter where you tune in from, whether you're just starting your morning, already in the middle of trading grind, or relaxing at the end of your day, welcome to our global live stream. Well, and I'm Scarlett, your host for the next 2 hours, and on behalf of the entire WeMasterTrade team, I'm thrilled to have you here. Today's session isn't just another presentation, it's a real conversation, a chance for you to step into the engine room of one of the most fast-growing and forward-thinking funded trading firms in the industry. And of course, I'm not here alone. Joining me are two outstanding traders who have shaped the culture, vision, and standard of WeMasterTrade. They are not only skilled professionals, they are mentors and leaders within our community. First up, the ever-composed, always insightful owners. Welcome, owners.
Thank you so much, Scarlett, and hello everyone. Thank you for choosing spend your time with us today. I'm generally excited for this session because there's so much we're going to uncover, not just strategy or rules, but the entry ecosystem that WeMasterTrade has built. This is a platform that doesn't just fund trade; it builds traders step by step, from trading out to scaling to earning.
And next to him is someone known for sharp analysis, clear logic, and absolute no-nonsense chart reading, strategic, precise, and one of the strongest voices in our trading community. Please welcome Brad.
Thank you, Scarlett. Hello to everyone in the chat. I'm genuinely thrilled to be here. What excites me most is that today we unpack everything, not just what WeMasterTrade offers, but how you can truly take advantage of each part of our system. Packages, promotions, scaling, payout structures, ornaments. If you have ever had questions or doubts, today is your chance to ask.
Exactly. Whether you're completely new or already a funded trader with us, today's live stream will give you a full picture, not just highlight reel. We're going to walk you through what WeMasterTrade truly is, what we believe in, how our programs are designed, and why we operate differently from traditional brokers or prop firms. And just to clarify, this isn't about selling you anything. This is about helping you understand what you're signing up for, how our structure works, and how you can use that structure to not only succeed, but actually scale.
Let's start with something important, the story behind WeMasterTrade. WeMasterTrade was built as a funded project, not as a broker. That difference matters. Brokers profit from volumes or client losses. WeMasterTrade profits only when traders succeed. We provide capital, take on the risk, and share profits when you perform. That philosophy is the backbone of everything in our system.
Exactly, and that philosophy serves our trading package well. Today we walk through its package, who it's designed for, how to choose the right one, and how to expect. If you overlook it at our package and through which one fit my style, you'll finally get the answer.
And beyond just explaining, we're doing a live side-by-side comparisons, pricing, account sizes, max drawdown, consistency rules, payout timelines. Reading numbers on a website is one thing. Understanding the intention behind those numbers is another.
And once you understand packages, the next big question is always how do I stay compliant while trading? So we dive deep into the rules, especially the daily loss limit, how it's calculated, why floating profit and loss matters, and how to avoid violations, especially overnight. We will also break down maximum total loss, the consistency ratio, and clarify common misunderstanding around trade sizing and risk per trade.
And I'm going to explain rules I said real experience from my early fund trading days. Mistake I make, adjustment I learned, and how the rules are actually there to protect your growth, not limit it.
And of course, we'll go through our current promotions, discount codes, support campaigns, capital, and show you exactly how to qualify and submit proof properly.
And finally, we will talk about the scale plan, one of the most underrated features of WeMasterTrade. Many traders don't realize there's a structured pathway to grow into higher capital tiers. With consistency performance, you don't just get payouts, you actually climb toward becoming a six-figure funded trader.
And speaking of growth, let's talk about one of the best strong energy behind long-term income at WeMasterTrade, the profit sharing model. And this is the heartbeat of what makes us different from everyday typical from out there. When you trade on a funded account and follow the rule and generate profit, we say that profit will you and not just a small cut up to 90%. But here the thing, the percentage is just a headline and real matter is the breakout cycle and the rest of how the timeline works. And we're breaking all of that down today, so you know exactly how to maximize every buyout opportunity.
Now I know a lot of you tuning in today aren't just traders, so you are mentors, educators, community leaders, or you simply have a strong network. So we're also diving into our affiliate program, and we're doing it transparently. We'll walk you through how commissions are calculated, how referrals are tracked, and most importantly, what you need to qualify for payouts. That includes a full explanation of the two referee rule and the minimum funding requirements. No confusions, no surprise.
And that's super important. We have seen huge growth in affiliate activity lately, which is awesome. But we want every partner to feel clear, confident, and responsible with the way they promote. When you understand the system, you are not just earning commissions, you are building a long-term sustainable income stream.
So as you can already tell, this is not your usual live surface level live stream. Today we'll go deep into everything: trading packages, trading rules, promotes, startup pathway, profit sharing, affiliate opportunities, all with one goal, helping you make the smartest, most informed decision for your trading journey.
And we want it to be interactive, not just a letter. So if you have any questions, throw them into the chat anytime. Our moderators are here and we are watching, and we answer as many as we can possibly can. Your voice matters, and this whole live stream is for you.
And if you're watching the replay later, don't worry, we will leave timestamps, summaries, and you can always reach out to our support team for clarifications. They're one of the most dedicated teams I have worked with. They really want traders to succeed.
So before we jump in, let me just say this: WeMasterTrade is not just a platform, it's a commitment to build real traders, a commitment to fairness, a commitment to giving people all around the world structured, scalable path to turn trading into a profession, not a gamble. So if you're here to grow, to understand, and to take action, you're in exactly the right place. So let's take this journey together. And thanks once again for being here with us today. Before we jump into packages, trading rules, promos, and everything exciting that's coming, we want to take a step back and zoom out for a moment, because before you put your time, your energy, and your trading journey into a platform, understanding who we are, what we believe in isn't just helpful, it's essential. And so this next segment is all about origin, intention, and heart. It's about where WeMasterTrade came from, what values hold this entire platform together, and how those values transform into real tools, real opportunities, and real outcomes for traders like you. And to walk us through that story, I got two people who literally live and breathe this mission every single day. Owners and reps, owners that get things off from the beginning.
Thank you, Scarlett. To truly understand WeMasterTrade, you have to understand why it was created in the first place. Unlike most broker or law firm that grew out of traditional finance, WeMasterTrade was born with a very specific mission: to give capable traders access to real capital, regardless of where they come from, what their background is, and or how much money they have in their savings. Talent shouldn't be limited. So that exactly what WeMasterTrade will build to solve. We were founded in 2022 as part of WeCopyTrade Group, headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. WeCopyTrade make its name through investor network and copy trading tech and signal. But WeMasterTrade It was created with a sharper, more focused vision and to find high potential traders, support them, fund them, and scale them, so they can earn professionally without risking the outside our capital.
There's one key point many people overlook, and it matters. WeMasterTrade is not a broker. This isn't a slogan, it's a fundamental difference in how we operate. We don't earn from spreads or commissions, and we don't earn when traders lose. Our models only works when traders are profitable, and that's why everything we build, instant funding, profit sharing, scale up, is designed with that alignment in mind. We take on the capital risk, we provide the structures and the pathway. Your role is to trade with skill and discipline. When you grow, we grow. But we also know something important. Skill alone isn't enough. One of our core principles from day one has been education first. We don't want traders just memorizing rules, we want them to understand the logic behind the structures, the why behind the risk model. And that's why we invested heavily into the WeMasterTrade Academy, a complete learning ecosystem designed to take our traders from beginner all the way to consistently funded professionals.
And the academy is seriously something special. We have training that covers everything from trading psychology to risk calibration to advanced multi-asset strategies. But the best part is it's not just theory, it's built to mirror the real trading environment inside WeMasterTrade. So whatever you learn in the academy, you can apply directly to your funding account the very same day. And to make sure that everything we build meets global educational standards, WeMasterTrade is proud to be ISO in 2018 certified, and recognition given to institutions that deliver high quality, structured, and internationally compliant learning system. It's a big achievement, and it represents our commitment to long-term trader development.
Now, that certificate isn't just a bag, it's a statement. It's so we are invested in developing traders, not in collecting fee and disappearing like many from in this space. While other drop from right fast and vanish event faster, WeMasterTrade had built real structure, stability, compliancy, transparent process, and a team that stands behind every decision. We're not here for a quick buy, we're here to help build career that lasts.
And that commitment shows in the stories we hear.
Of financial freedom.
Testimonial base. We see traders from Nigeria, Vietnam, Canada, the Philippines, South Africa, all sharing how WeMasterTrade didn't just help them earn more, but help them trade with confidence and purpose. Some past challenges after years of being stuck with the retail brokers, some finally escaped the fear of risking their own savings, and some found clarity, structures, and support they will never experience before. We have watched students turn into full-time traders. We have seen women re-enter back into finance after long career breaks, and young professionals from underbanked regions, people who were locked out of the market, now trade with real capital and real opportunity. That's the impact we care about, and that's what keeps us moving.
But the ecosystem goes beyond funding. For traders who want to keep learning, evolving, and staying in tune with the markets, we maintain a constantly updated blog session, weekly insights, technology breakdowns, market reactions, and platform updates. We believe trading is a lifelong craft, and we make sure our community never stops sharpening its edge. And let's talk about culture for a moment. What sets WeMasterTrade apart isn't just theaters, it's the mindset we cultivate, integrity, respect, and shared knowledge. Whether you're chatting in our Telegram groups, watching our YouTube series, or taking to our live support team, you'll notice one thing: we actually listen and we treat traders like partners, not ticket numbers.
And I want to be honestly here, in many platforms, the trader is just another customer. But at the WeMasterTrade, the trader is the center of the entry model. Your performance fuels the business. Your feedback shapes the platform, and consistency determines how far we can scale together. That kind of mutual accountability is rare, and it's something we generally value.
So if you have ever questions whether this path is real, whether a trading career is something you can actually build, go ahead and read the testimonial, look at the funding accounts, talk to people who have been through the system. The stories are real, the capital is real, and the results they speak loudly.
To summarize, WeMasterTrade is more than a platform. We are a capital allocator, a talent accelerator, and an education for trading institution. We're here to challenge the state of quo in trading assets to reward performance over promotion and to create real scalable income opportunities for traders worldwide, no matter where you start. This is bigger than a broker, it's a trading movement. And if you're ready to be part of it, today's live stream will give you a full roadmap to get started. So thank you, owners and Ralph, for that deep and honest walkthrough. Coming up next, we'll take this transition to connect it directly to what we offer, our actual account packages. That means a full breakdown of all different accounts options at WeMasterTrade, how they differ, who they designed for, and what kind of results can realistically expect from it. Now that we explore who WeMasterTrade is and the principles we stand for, it's time to dive into one of the most important parts of today's session, a detailed discussion on our account packages. For most traders, this is where the journey begins. Choosing a structure that aligns with your goals, your trading style, and your current skill level. And when we say packages, we're not just talking about dollar amounts, we're talking about frameworks for growth. Each package at WeMasterTrade represents a different pathway, a roadmap toward building skills, scaling your capital, and unlocking potential. Today we'll walk you through every package, explain what it offers, how it's structured, and most importantly, who is it designed for.
Exactly, Scarlett. At WeMasterTrade, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all model. That's why we created two discrete product line for traders: the challenge package and the instant funding package. Each line comes with a variety of account size and configuration because traders come with different strength, risk capacity, and timeline. We make sure that part of everyone, whether you're standing small or ready to scale fast.
So now let's talk about the instant funding package designed for traders who are ready to skip the challenge phase and start trading with real capital immediately. Unlike the challenge model, this is for those who already have a tested strategies or want to hit the ground running. It's fast, efficient, and still structured around the same ratio that keep your account safe.
In the instant funding package, you select an account size 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, or 100,000, and you start trading real funded from day one. The rules are straightforward: 5% daily loss limits, 10% maximum loss, and 1 to 100 leverage. There are no simulated fee, and you're ready in the funded state, and your profit say up to 90%.
So to summarize, the challenge package is perfect if you want a step-by-step progression. Prove your skill, get familiar with the WeMasterTrade risk framework, and gradually unlock higher profit shares. The instant funding package is for traders who want to start with real capital immediately, with all the protection and profit sharing benefits intact.
Exactly, think of it this way. Challenge package means build confidence, demonstrate skill, grow progressively, and for the instant funding, it trade like capital immediately if you are confident in your strategies. Both paths lead to the same destination, scaling your trading career with WeMasterTrade.
And don't forget, both packages is fully compliant with the WeMasterTrade with managed rule, and that our guarantee you have a clean, transparent partner where you learning and testing or trading full time. The difference is only a starting point, your skill level and comfort with risk.
So whatever stage you're at, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, there's a WeMasterTrade package for you. And coming up next, we're going to do a side-by-side comparison of challenge versus instant funding, so you can clearly see account size, risk rules, time price, and profit share opportunity.
So who are the mid and high tier challenges best for? The $25,000 to $100,000 challenge packages are perfect for traders who already have capital management experience, especially those aiming to scale into larger funding accounts. If you have passed all the prop challenges and have a strong verified trading history, this is a natural next step to level up your career.
And every challenge package comes with a one-time fee. For example, just $50 for the $10,000 challenge. Here's the good part. That fee is refundable once you become funded and meet minimum performance conditions. And if things don't go your way, you're eligible for a 30% reset discount, so you can start fresh and keep learning. But what if you don't want to go through a challenge at all and want the real capital from day one, earning purely based on results? That's where our instant funding packages come in.
And this is where WeMasterTrade really stand out. The instant funding model is designed for experienced disciplined traders who want to trade real capital immediately. No evaluations, no demo stages, just live trading, fully backed by a structured, fair and transparent system.
And accessibility is key, and you can choose from several account types based on your trading style, reference, and goals. Today we will through the 5 main instant funding packages: 510, 510 euro, 510 OBC, and customized. We compare the details, but more importantly, we help you figure out which package is right for you.
So let me set the scenes. All instant funding packages give you live stream access from day one. That means no challenge phases, no evaluations. You pay once, follow the rules, and start trading real capital immediately. And every account, no matter the size, includes no time limits, up to 90% profit share, scale plan toward $1 million, support for EA swing trade scaling, and even HFT strategy. Now let's go package by package. So let's start, let's shift gear to the 510 package. Same maximum capital up to $200,000, but now you get 5% base loss and 10% over limit. So why is that important?
Well, that extra breathing room is huge for traders who scale into positions or like taking multiple entries per setup. Imagine you are in a volatile market with fast swing. The 5-10 rules that you navigate larger moves without hitting daily limit prematurely. It's a game changer for professional style trading.
The profit target here is 10%, perfectly aligned with a higher risk window. And as always, you get full flexibility, scalping, EA, new trading, swing trader, HFT, whatever suits your style. This package is all about tolerance and adaptability. It rewards traders who understand position sizing, risk management, and market timing.
So who is it for? This package is perfect for day traders, especially those focusing on fast-moving assets like Nasdaq, gold, or volatile forex pairs. If you already have a tested intraday strategy and want a little extra breathing room for risk, this is the package for you. It gives you flexibility without sacrificing structures.
And it's also great for traders who thrive with a clear target. That 10% over profit growth acts as a motivating milestone, keeping your focus and payout oriented. Some traders perform best when they know exactly what success looks like, and the package gives them that clarify without feeling and restrictive.
So to sum up, 510 for high tolerance, intraday and futures traders. Next, we'll dive into the 510 510 no PC packages, which are even more flexible for advanced trading styles. including EA stepping a more aggressive strategy. Now this one personal favorite for traders who love trading on their terms, the fighting zero package. You get a 5% get limit, 10% get maximum loss, but zero profit target. That's right, no numbers chasing you around. Trade smart, trade patiently, and let results come naturally.
This package is perfect for low-frequency traders and market snappers. If you take 3 to 5 trades a week, each with careful planning, this environment actually rewards patience rather than punishing it.
Veteran swing trader, risk conscious trader, basically anyone who values consistency over spec. If that sounds like you, the package will feel like home.
And let's face it, not every trader wants to chase targets. Some just want to trade cleanly, scale smartly, and grow steadily. This is the package for them.
Let's start for traders who want maximum flexibility without constraint. The 5-10-10 no PC package. Rap, correct me if I'm wrong, this one removes the profit consistency rule.
Exactly, same 5-10 risk profile, but no pressures to smooth out your profit. You can hit big wins, take calculated swing, and you are not penalized for volatility in reserves.
Just a heads up, trader copy are not allowed, so this is for manual trader only. But for those who enjoy high risk, high reward trading with occasional big spike, this is the ideal arena.
So, this package is for aggressive traders, risk takers, or anyone frustrated by strict consistency rule elsewhere. Trade how you want as long as you respect the drawdown limit.
And last but not least, the customized package. Think of this as WeMasterTrade saying you define the rules within your strategy.
You can set your daily loss, overall loss, and even fund up to 400,000. The market funding option we offer. It's designed for serious traders who want total control without compromising and flexibility.
This is premium on access trading. You can use EA's new strategies, weekend holdings, HFT, everything. If you have a very specific approach in mind, this is the package that lets you bring it to life. So, top-tier professional as hedge fund traders, high-volume traders, signal providers, anyone who wants a fully tailored trading setup, this package puts the building in your hands.
I always say if you try our model and nothing fits, the custom package let you build your own roadmap, and that level of freedom is rare in the trading world, and it's certainly powerful of serious trader.
To wrap it up, every instant funding package we offer is built around clarity, fairness, and real opportunity. Clear risk parameters, competitive conditions, full market access, and genuine profit potential. No artificial time limits, and payouts we can start as early as the very next day.
And here the best part, no matter your trading style, scalping, swing, echo, or manual, they are not count that much you, and the key is choosing the one that fits your style and discipline. Start building consistency now, and the flow compound naturally.
And if you are ever on the fence, our team is available 24/7 to guide you. But here's the real secret. Pick the account that suits your discipline, not your dreams. The right fix always outperforms the flashiest promise.
Alright traders, you've seen packages. Now it's time to take all the rules that can make or break your account. Daily loss limit. Stay tuned, this one separates the pros from the panic. And getting fun feels amazing, but staying funded, that's the real game. The number one reason accounts get shut down once they get lost.
Yes, the infamous they lost. Most trader thinks they understand it until it's closed their account mid-trade on a Tuesday afternoon. Classic.
But here there's a silver lining when you really swap it, and this rule become one of your best allies in risk management. Today we'll break it down step by step with risk example.
So what is it? The daily loss limit, also called maximum daily loss, set the hard cap for losses in a single trading day, including both close and floating trades. Hit it in 24 seconds and your account shuts down automatically.
And here's the nuance, it's always calculated from the higher of your starting balance or equity. That small detail is what catches so many traders off guard.
Think of it as a safety list and not there to punish you, it's there to keep you in the game.
Let's get practical. Day 5 your balance is $105,000, but your equity is $107,000, thanks to some floating profits.
With a 4% daily loss, the system calculates from 107,000 in the higher number.
4% of 107,000 around 4,280. Your equity cannot drop below 102,720 that day or it's auto liquidation.
And here's the kicker. This is real time. The system doesn't wait. Dip below for even a second and boom, account closed. And next time we will have a little break.
Trade. Trade.
Alright, welcome back to our live stream today, and next time we will continue with examples 2. The balance is higher than equity.
Well, now flip it. Day 7, the balance is 100,000 and equity is 99,000 because some trades are in loss.
Since balance is higher, 4% daily loss equal to 4,000. Your equity must stay above 96,000 all days.
So drop to $95,999. Auto liquidation triggers, no margin call, no warning, just that.
Well, what happens if you break it? The system executes a market order to close everything. On trade liquidated, account disabled, you cannot trade again unless you purchase a new bucket.
And remember, because it executes at live market price, Slipback can make the final P&L worse than expected. That 3,900 loss you plan count into turn 4,200 in second.
That's why we always say don't dance on the edges. Respect the limits, protect the capital in your stay funded longer and grow consistently.
Now, how to stay inside the daily loss box. Alright, let's dive into how to avoid violating the daily loss rule. This is where the pro mindset kicks in.
Tip 1. Know your buffer. Don't play trader that puts you right to the edge of your limit. Let at least 10 to 15% cushion below your max, especially in volatile market.
Tip number 2. Focus on equity, not just balance. Most traders say there's balance on day, but if floating losses are dragging your equity down, you are already at risk of a violation.
Tip 3. Use the dashboard. WeMasterTrade provides live risk dashboard. Check your loss status frequently. Don't rely on memory or guesswork.
Tip 4. Fall after early losses. If you lost 3% in the first hour of London session, stop, reflect. Don't try to refine trade back into the green.
Tip 5. Trade smaller during news event. Trading goals during NAB are full size. That's a fast track to hitting daily loss. Schedule your lots. Ride the post volatility move safely.
So let's talk about the traps. What mistakes do traders make most often with daily loss?
Number 1. Over leveraging opening day trader that are 5 to 7% of your limits. Account thinking your exit quickly. When it goes red fast, it's already too late.
Number 2. Holding overnight without checking exposures. 3 trades left overnight. Wake up to a 60 pip gap. Daily loss can trigger before you even open your eyes.
In the third big mistake.
Assuming only close trader matter, enough equity include floating P&L too. That's your real score. And I won't wait tell new trader. The daily loss isn't your enemy. Think of it as your account airbag, and it's designed to stop you from making insolvable mistakes.
Exactly, it forces discipline. You can be aggressive, but only inside the box. Learn that and you will last longer than 90% of the market.
One last point, it isn't just about rules, it's about trust. WeMasterTrade funds you because we trust you manage risk responsibly. The daily loss, it protects that trust for both sides. And now it's time to talk about the ultimate boundary. I'm talking about the maximum loss rule, your account airbag. This isn't just for one day, it's for the entire life of your account.
A lot of traders think I didn't hit my daily limit, so I'm fine. But a few days of small losses and add up, and suddenly liquidation.
Exactly, the max loss is the final safety net. Hit it and the system sees your account as unsalvageable, immediate closures, no exception.
And let's break it down simply. Is the total loss your account can sustain across all trades at any moment. If your equity including both open trades dips below that threshold, the account is gone, period.
Unlike the daily loss with reset, it's days. This accumulate loss 2% one day, 3% the next, and cross the lines, that's it.
The actual percentage depends on your package. Typically, 6% or 10% of your starting balance is always based on initial capital, not your equity or profits.
Suppose your account starts at $50,000 with a 6% max lot, that's $3,000.
Your equity can never go below that 47,000. Doesn't matter if you make 1,000 yesterday, it accumulates from the start.
And remember, both close and floating losses account. Close 2,000, floating 1,200, equity is 46,800. Below 47,000, account closed.
Not about net gain or loss across trades, it's about real-time equity versus the stop loss floor.
Say your account grew to 50,000, 51,000, profit feel great, right?
Yep, but max loss is still based on the additional 50,000, 6% limit equal 47,000. Profit only give an extra buffer.
Exactly, your equity can drop $4,000 before hitting the floor. Profit doesn't move the threshold.
Now what happens when you break it? Drop below the max loss even by a few dollars and auto liquidation triggers instantly on trade close at market price.
And daily loss slip bet may make your final number slide work. That's just market reality.
And most importantly, once breached, the account is permanently disabled. No resets, no rollbacks. Want to continue trading? You must purchase a new package.
Alright traders, here's the secret sauce. How do you stay inside the max loss box and trade like a pro without sweating every second?
Tip 1. Know your floor. Always track your total close loss at every day. Don't wait the dark bar alive. Calculate manually and award net is half a battle.
Tip 2. Treat profits as armor, not ammo. Floating gains don't mean going wide. Reduce lot sizes when you are ahead. Protect your capital, don't gamble it.
Tip 3. Manage floating losses like a hawk. Even one roll trade can turn your caution into catastrophe. Stay alert, stay disciplined.
Tip 4. Step back when danger looms. If you find the sand down on a 6% mark loss, don't chase and walk away. Take a break, analyze and balance safe account.
And tip 5. Never fight volatility blindfolded. Big news, reduce size. Gold, Nasdaq, European. They spy fast. Respect the market, respect the limit.
Now let's get real. Here are the moves that destroy accounts faster than you can blink.
Number 1, over leveraging opening position at a 5 to 7% of your account, thinking if safe, and one wrong move, you are tough.
Number 2. Ignoring floating trades. Close 3 loser, think you are safe. One more red trade floating. 1,500 to 2,000. Boom, across the line.
Number 3, revenge 20 lost yesterday. Come back swinging today to recover. That how to 6% mark loss disappear into session.
4. Slippage during news. Tight stop doesn't matter. A single candle can wipe out your profit before you can blink.
And listen up, the mark loss is the enemy and it's your protective shield, your airbag. Every top trader I know treat it non-negotiable, cross it, and that lesson hit hard, account gone.
Exactly. Think of it as a reality check. If you're constantly skimming the edge, the problem isn't the rule, it's your strategy or your mindset. Fix that and the account last year, not today.
So here's the mantra, traders. Respect the max loss. Trade inside the box. Protect your equity. Grow consistently. Treat it like your best friend, and it will keep your account alive while most traders self-destruct around you.
At WeMasterTrade, we're not just handing out capital, we're building structure, discipline, and professional knowledge. The mark loss rule that separate gamble from true trader.
So let's lock this in, traders. Here what you need to remember about market loss. It's a percentage of your starting balance, usually 6% or 10%. It's calculated from real-time equity, not just your balance. It counts both closed and floating losses. Every penny matters. And here's the kicker. Once it's breached, the account is gone permanently.
Think of it as your final safety net. Respect it, trade smart, and you will survive when most traders fail.
Alright traders, we covered the daily loss limit and the maximum loss rule, your capital safety net. Now let's talk about results, not just risk. At WeMasterTrade, we want to see traders grow, scale, and earn sustainably. That's where profit consistency comes in.
If you separate lucky buy from true profit, it tells us whether you can make consistent profit over time instead of relying in one big win.
And it's also how we determine profit sharing, withdrawal, and scale. Funded can't withdraw on full profit. This rule probably why.
Simply put, the consistency ratio measures how evenly your profit comes in day to day. While huge spike and several flat or losing days, high ratio, low consistency.
And at WeMasterTrade, most accounts require 30% profit consistency, meaning your bad day cannot exceed 30% of your total profit. Exception the 5-10 no BC package, no BC rule at all.
Important, if your BC exceeds 20%, your profit share drops to 10%. That's right, keep your consistency in check if you want to maximize earning. Now, how is calculated? Formula is simple. Best trading days profit divided by the total close profit multiplied by 100, and we have the profit consistency ratio.
Best day equal to single day high close profit. Total profit equal to sum of all close at profit minus close losses. Floating losses don't count into close.
So if your best day is $200 and your total profit is $500, your basic is 40%. That's too high. You need to trade more to reduce the ratio below 20% to eligible for payout.
Now, another example walkthrough. We have a 5-day reserve. Day 1, $100. Day 2, $200. Day 3, minus $50. Day 4, $100. And day 5, $60.
And the total net profit equal to 100 plus 200 minus 50 plus 100 plus 60 equal to 410.
So the best day is your second day, $200. So the basic is equal to 200 and divide to 410 multiplied by 100 equal to 48.78%.
Now that's way above the 30% limit even though profitable. Profit share drops to 10% until consistency improves.
Profit doesn't equal pay. Even profitable traders won't get full profit share if gains are too concentrated.
And if you're relying on one or two monster days to carry your account, that risk not skill, you need to steady win.
Long-term balance means the higher trust, scale up, and full profit share. That's what separates funded pros from lucky spike. Now, how to improve profit consistency? If they're over the limit, don't panic. Focus on evening out your profit over multiple days.
Practical tip, reduce loss size for a few days. Take smaller control win like 200 to 300 days. Avoid one massive swing trade. Spread gain across multiple days.
For EA user, monitor your equity curve. Boss that spike profit one day may hurt BC. Adjust to keep ratio below 20 to 30% for full profit share.
Now, here are some common mistakes. Number 1, hitting the target early and resting inflate the best day ratio.
Number 2, open trading after a big day, trying to squeeze in more equal to higher ratio.
And number 3, knowing the rule, profit consistency is what we actually measure for growth and scale.
And profit consistency isn't a hurdle. It's your roadmap to sustainable growth of the maximum profit share.
Hit this, and WeMasterTrade will trust you with bigger capital. Ignore it, and even profitable account gets reduced payout.
And so remember, small, steady, reliable profit is more than one lucky spike any day. Keep PC below 20 to 30% to maximize the profit share and scale fast.
And at the end of the day, this isn't about controlling you. It's about building habit and can handle scale. If you can be consistent with 25,000, what happens when we give you 100,000 or more?
Exactly, consistency is your ticket to trust. At WeMasterTrade, we fund traders, but we also study them. These rules show whether you are serious about long-term trading or just chasing lucky spikes.
And we've seen it time and again, the traders who respect this rule, they're the ones getting multiple payouts, referrals, and eventually scaling into six-figure funded accounts.
So, don't fear the rule, embrace it as feedback. Too high? That's good. It means you are made profit. Now the goal balance it and out over multiple sections.
And remember, no manual mark required. WeMasterTrade dashboard automatically calculate your profit consistency ratio. Check it anytime under your statistic tab.
Quick recap for traders, this rule is about balance, not volume. Keep your best trade under 20% of total profit to max payout. Spread your wins across multiple sessions. Monitor progress using the dashboard. So far, we walked through the daily loss limit, tackle the maximum account loss, and examine how profit consistency shape your long-term payouts and growth. And next time, we will continue with a news calendar.
Alright, good morning trader. Welcome back to live market briefing. Today is Tuesday, January 27th, and the calendar is a broad-based, meaning well-seen movement across GBE and GBP, AUD, NZD, and EUR, and USD.
Yes, this is one of those days where volatility rotates from Asia to Europe to New York. So, traders need to stay sharp throughout the entire section.
In GBP SPPI, Japan SPPI came at 2.67% and 2.7% forecast.
Slightly softer than expected, that suggests service inflation pressure is easing, which is mildly Japanese negative because it reduces urgency for BOG tightening.
At GBP BRC stock price index, UK retail price inflation slowed to 1.5% and 0.7% revealed.
Prices are rising but still relatively content. This keeps BOA cautious but not aggressive. Market impact on GBP is limited unless combined with other UK data.
AUD and NAB business confidence. NAB business confidence printed 3 and 2 period.
Improvement in business sentiment is AUD supportive, showing firms feel better about economic conditions.
NZD credit card spending. Credit card spending fell minus 0.3%, sharply down from 4.4% previously.
Well, that's a clear slowdown in consumer activity. This is New Zealand dollar negative, suggesting domestic demand is cooling.
And GBI, BOZ core CBI. BOZ core CBI came in at 1.9% and 2% forecast, down from 2.2% period.
That's important. Inflation drifting lower reduces pressures on BOG to normalize policy quickly. Overall GBY Paris bias remain.
And EUR spending employment rate, spending unemployment at 10.2% with 10.5% previous.
Labor market improvement is euro supportive, but ban alone usually doesn't move the euro much unless it signals broader EU trend. Now, this is a rotation day, not a single event day. Scalper and intraday traders get more opportunity than swing traders. And now that's your full macro breakdown for today. Trade smart, control risk, and we will see you in the next section. Good luck, traders.
Alright, thank you for joining with us in today's live stream session. And we'll see you in the next user series. Thank you and happy trading.